Hello friends and welcome to my YouTube channel Simply Stocks, and today I'm going to talk about Tata elxsi. How are the numbers and how is the stock shaping up for the next 2 to 3 years? So let's understand about all this. Let's get started. First of all, a disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation and people taking any position to any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research, and I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. Before I talk about Tata elxsi, a small request that kindly support me on Patreon. And once you do that, help me grow the channel, help you also ask me questions and eke out answers in greater detail. Once you get the $10 membership, you'll have access to my portfolio, my watch list, and a number of podcasts I put up from time to time on market and companies. And if you can pay $100 upfront, you get 1 year access by paying for 10 months. For detailed market or company talk, you can directly email me and we can work things out with a fee. Now the company, this was established in 1989. It is the part of the Tata Group and it provides design and technology services across industries. The major sectors that they serve to are automotives, broadcast, communications and healthcare. Have presence in Europe, parts of Asia, Middle East and North America. There's a decent dividend yield for the stock and the company has diversified its business into the EV space as well. The market cap of the company is around 50,000 crores at the moment. If you look at the financials, these are Q4 numbers. So the March quarter numbers, sales were up by around 30%, profit jumped by around 40% even March quarter. It's a zero debt company. There's decent promoter and institutional holding. ROE of 37% is perhaps the best in the industry. Again, the margins of 31% is again best in the industry. It is a top class company into this domain, big in animation, big in the EV space. In terms of the performance, it has been a big outperformer in the last 1 year. In fact, in the last 1.5 years or so, it has gone up many folds. Currently at around 8,000 rupees. It was trading at 1600, 1700 rupees just about a couple of years back. So it has been a 4-5 bagger already. Have received many contracts in Europe and US. Yes, because of the current inflationary scenario. In Europe and especially the kind of recessionary pressure that UK and other parts of Europe are facing, there could be some pressure on the numbers for 1 or 2 quarters, but I think this company should show through above that from December onwards. It has been delivering high margins for a number of quarters and results have been robust for the last few quarters. Will do much better as global economy improves going forward, I believe from FY24 onwards, and valuations are slightly stretched, so we'll talk about the valuations now in the presentation. So in terms of technicals, very strong on charts. The short-term support lies around 7200, 7500 levels. Deeper supports are around 6600. I believe 7200, 7500 would be good levels to buy. Again, on the valuations front, trading at around 70-80 times earnings is expensive. I believe any 10 to 15% decline would be a very good opportunity to buy into the stock around 7000 or so. It may keep outperforming in 2023 as well in 2024. So this is a stock that can be accumulated on major declines or on bad market days. So in my opinion, valuations are stretched, so buy on dips. In terms of numbers and fundamentals, all look good in the company. Yes, numbers may dip, but it would be there for the whole industry altogether. I believe that it will still outperform the overall industry. It can be a consistent cash cow for years to come. So this is a stock for the next 10-15 years or a stock that can be bought for the next 2 to 3 years. So buy on major declines to 7000. And you have to be patient to make money in IT. Currently, IT is going through a very difficult phase. The index itself has fallen by around 30-35%. So there will be a time, I believe, in the next 2 quarters or so that the bottom will be made in the IT, and probably 2023 as a calendar year would be big for the industry altogether. So this was a video on Tata elxsi. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you get my videos straight away when I post it. Kindly support me on Patreon. Thanks a lot for watching.